In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil life on a 2023 Hyundai Tucson. This will also work on other Hyundai vehicles as well. I'm going to press this button, the menu button, several times until I get to this one that says hold OK for settings. So I'm going to go back to this little button. I'm going to push down on this. And then as I did that, the display over here changed to the settings, and then I'm going to scroll up here until I get to convenience. Click on convenience, and then you'll notice it says oil change reminder. I'm going to click on that, and then once we've changed the oil on this vehicle and we want to reset it, you're just going to press reset. Yes, I'm sure. And you'll notice that the oil life has been reset back to 100%. That's all there's to it. There's a few other settings in there if you're needing to make some changes, or if you want to go in and mess with the service interval, or you'll notice wiper blades, things like that. So you can change all those in that spot. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.